Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me for another Quick Tip Tuesday. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to our channel to make sure you are staying up to date with the latest tips, application videos, and more. This week we're going to talk about best practices for using the glass blaster to remove windshields and other bonded glass. When first learning how to use the glass blaster, it's best to start further inside the glass, which will help you control the power, or the heat. We suggest trying to remove the window on a salvaged vehicle until you get used to how the unit operates. Once you have become more familiar with the tool and how it operates, you can use more power to remove the glass even quicker. Remember, practice makes perfect. Each unit comes with 2 plastic L wedges to assist you in removing glass. Use these L wedges to determine where the urethane is located on the underside of the glass. Starting in one of the corner towards the inside edge, step on the foot pedal and move the attachment back and forth over the urethane in 6-inch sections. Use the L wedges to apply constant outward pressure on the glass while you're doing this. You will hear the urethane start to crackle and pop like bacon cooking in a pan. This is a sign that the bond is releasing. As you continuously apply that outward pressure, you will feel the glass release. Repeat these steps until you have removed the glass completely. To see a list of all the applications the glass blaster is capable of, please visit our website, and while you're there, make sure to check out the Glass Blaster bundle offered exclusively on our website. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.